We have the first look at the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra, the phone that's going to produce the closest image to an actual DSLR. Some of the most trusted leaksters in the game have released the groundbreaking image quality expectations from this monster camera setup on the back of the Mi Ultra, which is going to be the Sony IMX 800 sensor. Even Sony recently said that the smartphone cameras could beat DSLR by 2024. The latest Sony IMX 800 on the Mi 12 Ultra will show us the glimpse of how close we are to that level. This may very well be the true ultra-flashy smartphone of 2022. What you're looking at right now is the official CAD-based factory design of the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra, and it's actually very accurate to the final deal. Just like last year's Mi 11 Ultra, Xiaomi just went all out with the look of this phone, giving it the most ridiculous monstrous smartphone camera look ever. We've got a black camera bump with the Leica branding, and then we have a circle that consists of almost 8 sensors. Right in the middle system is the biggest Sony smartphone sensor in the history, which is going to be the IMX 800. Then we have dual periscope lenses, which we don't even see on the S22 Ultra. If you don't know, the SRE2 Ultra only has one periscope lens and one standard 3x zoom lens, whereas this thing is offering a proper dual periscope lens system, so it can actually zoom up to 20 times. There's another sensor on the left-hand side which looks almost as big as the main sensor. I think is probably going to be the ultra-widening a lens. Clearly this thing is looking absolutely insane. As to the front, it looks very similar to last year's Mi 11 Ultra Galaxy S21 Ultra. We're going to see the best quality Samsung OLED display with 120Hz LTPO refresh rate technology. Pretty much the latest smartphone display tech on this phone. We don't know the camera specs of the front camera, but I believe it's going to have some really high megapixel count. Now the Metro Ultra will beat Galaxy S20 Ultra when it comes to the performance, no doubt about that. And of course efficiency, because it's going to come with the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. S10 Ultra was announced way earlier in the year, so there's not going to be any refresh to this phone with the newer chip. As we know, Samsung is currently focusing on the Galaxy Z series, so the SRE Ultra is stuck with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It will also rock a huge battery of up to 5,000 mAh. At least the phone is said to be about 234 grams, which is not that heavy considering how it looks. I'm just so excited to see the full potential of this camera setup. The Sony IMX 800 sensor, and of course possibly the most impressive zoom on any smartphone, thanks to having the 2 proper periscope lenses. Xiaomi has also partnered with Leica to fine-tune these big camera sensors to produce the best quality image. As we know, Xiaomi isn't the best when it comes to the color reproduction. Along with that, Leica will probably offer the state-of-the-art lenses for these camera sensors. Like I said, do not sleep on Xiaomi. This is seriously the most impressive camera system on the phone. I can't wait to see the official announcement of this phone happening in the month of July. Let me know what you think about the Mi 12 Ultra in the comments section below. I am genuinely excited for this phone. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you later. Peace out.